Hi everyone, this video is different from all the other videos because it's all about you. I'm inviting you to join this challenge to save money. By the end of this challenge, you won't just have a few extra dollars in your savings, you'll also build a solid savings habit for a bright financial future. What do you think? Make sure you stick through this video to get useful resources and practical tips on saving money. Let's get started. First, pick your level, $5 a day or $10 a day. This should be on top of what you already do to save money. Choose what works best for you. It should be realistic. No need to cut all your spendings and eat plain toast for a whole month. But hey, it's called a challenge for a reason, so make sure it's not too easy either. Then, I have a few fun ways that you can track your savings. Option 1, the classic money jar. Grab a clear jar, or honestly, a glass would work too. Decorate it with motivational quotes or even a picture of your dream vacation. If you need ideas, I'll also drop some quotes in the comments below. Then, every day, drop your $5 or $10 and watch your jar fill up. Trust me, seeing your savings grow will be very satisfying. Option 2, the money tree. Take a small tree or plant. Maybe it could be your second Christmas tree, and clip your daily savings to the branches. Watch your tree sprout money instead of leaves. It's a fun way to watch your money grow, literally. For those of you who use debit or credit cards, I've got you covered too. Check out the downloadable 30-day savings tracker in the comments below. You can print it out, slap it on your fridge, and treat it like your personal scoreboard. Each time you complete your daily savings, color in the day and call it your money medal. By the end of the 30 days, not only will you have a chunk of savings, but your fridge will look like you won the financial Olympics. Here is how the challenge works. Every day for the next 30 days, set aside $5 or $10. You can drop it into your money jar, clip it to your money tree, or mark it on your visual tracker. How to save the $5 or $10 each day? Here's some idea. Cook a large batch of meals over the weekend and pack your lunch for the first 2 or 3 days of the week. Not only will you save money, but you might also discover a hidden talent in the kitchen. For the other days, skip your Euro coffee shop stop and brew your coffee at home instead. Bonus! You can even experiment with fancy recipes and make it just the way you like it. Also, instead of dining out with family and friends, can you host a board game night or watch a movie together at home? This way, you can spend quality time together without spending extra dollars. If you have to eat out, skip the soda or cocktail and ask for water instead. It's healthier and a quick way to save a few dollars. The beauty of this challenge is that it's not about deprivation, rather, it's to find small creative ways to save. If you miss saving that $5 or $10 for a day, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Just catch up the next day by doubling up and saving $10 or $20 instead, or try to do an extra challenge to get back on track. For example, maybe you can take a quick look at your subscriptions. Is there anyone that you can cancel or downgrade? Not only will it help you make up the missed day, but it will actually save you $10 or $20 every month going forward. That's a really smart move. Each evening when you get home, drop the dollars you saved in your money jar or clip it to your money tree or mark it on your visual tracker. At the end of the month, you can use the additional savings for an extra payment for your high-interest debt or add it to your emergency fund. So, are you in? Join us for the challenge by leaving a comment below letting us know if you are going with $5 or $10 a day. It's even more fun when you do this with friends. Share this video with your crew and invite them to join the challenge too. You can cheer each other on. Let's turn saving money into a group win. Drop a comment below to share your daily or weekly progress. I'd love to hear about your journey towards saving money and taking control of your finances. I'll hold you and your crew accountable for this challenge and do a check-in video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.